Hello friends. Today we are going to make an project timer in App Lab. I have entered the App Lab and I am renaming it to timer. For making the project, we need to design it. I will first design my project, my app. I will take the buttons. I need 2 buttons. And the text will be written on it is stop. When I click stop, the timer should be stopped, and when I click on the start, then the timer should start. Okay, this is stop, so I will change the background color to red, and this is start, so I will change the background color of this to green. Okay, and now I will take a text area and write here caps lock time and this, and the font size I will do 50. It is okay. Now I will arrange it. Okay, now I will go to code and I will do a text code. So first what we have to write, we will make the global variable variable start time, and this. Now enter it, and variable is running equals false, and enter now. And I will go to UI controls. You will see on event. I will take this block and put it over here on event, shift, and this on event start. On event start click function is what? On event start click. If you will, I'm writing if one, you will get in control the block which I'm writing, if block, if, and I will show this. This means exclamatory mark not. If is running not, is running equals to, I am confirming it. This exclamatory mark equals to is running not. This is not. Is running, if is running is not. Okay, and now I will show the curly brackets, and now I will enter it. Okay, is running now is running equals to, if it is running is not, then on event when start click is running equals to. Now enter it, and now we will write start time equals get time. This also you will get in this control 1. You will see this get time is there. Shift, and I will do all the brackets, get time brackets, and this. Now what we have to do is timed loop. You will see timed loop, and after the get time I will place the timed loop. 1000 means this is 1000 milliseconds, which means 1 second. Our timer is going to become in 1 second. It will count in seconds. Now we will make variable current time equals get time. Current time equals get time. Get time, and I will show this and enter, and variable elapsed time. Elapsed time equals current time minus start time. Okay, and now what we have to do is we will write here elapsed time equals math round. Math dot with M should be capital. Math dot round equal is bracket, and in bracket I will write elapsed time divided by 1000. Because the timer should not show in millisecond, it should show in seconds, so that's why I'm dividing it. And when I'm dividing, it is coming in decimal, so that's why I have written math dot round. So that's why he round and take out the into. And now set text in UI controls you will get, and the bracket and write here label 1 wait, label that's why wait, I have to, it is showing text area, I will do it label. Okay, I will do it label and go to code, and over here also label I have written over here, and over here also I will write label. I will click on it and write here label. Okay, after writing label, I will come out from the comma and come out from the bracket and write here and give comma and again a bracket, and I will write here the time because over here also I have written the time, so I will write over here caps lock time this. Okay, and now whatever is coming plus it to elapsed time. Okay, now I will run it. Something went wrong over here. Okay, and over here also. Okay, now I will run it. Yes, it is working properly. And but when I'm clicking stop, it is not stopping. So that's why now I will write the code for stopping it. So for that's why I will go to design, click on the stop and go to events on the up side and insert and show code. It is showing console.log stop click. This I will remove this one and delete it. And now I will write here. Is running false, is running equals false, and now I will enter and this stop time loop, and I will put it over here. Now I will run it, and when I start it, it is counting, and when I do stop, it is stopped. It is not now counting anymore. And whenever I'm clicking again start, it is again starting counting from there. Thank you for watching. our today's project is ended. Thank you and have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Please share the video. Thank you.